Once you open the app, click on Get Started, select Exam or Class Timetables. On this screen, select the Excel timetable document shared to you by your department. The app will scan this for you, and then you can select the course from the list of courses. Then finally, you can select the period. After this, tap on Next, and you'll have the courses filtered out for you. On the home screen, you can view all the courses, and you can edit the details of a course by tapping on it and modifying it as you need it, like the day. Then other thing you can do is set reminders all the way from 5 minutes to 2 hours before the class starts. Finally, you can also join virtual classes once you have saved the meeting link with only one tap. That's it. Thank you.